Ryan Reynolds here from Mint Mobile. With the price of just about everything going up during inflation, we thought we'd bring our prices down. So to help us, we brought in a reverse auctioneer, which is apparently a thing.
Mint Mobile Unlimited Premium Wireless. How to get 30, 30, bit to get 30, bit to get 20, 20, 20, bit to get 20, 20, bit to get 15, 15, 15, 15, just $15 a month? Sold!
Give it a try at mintmobile.com/switch.
$45 up front for 3 months plus taxes and fees. Promo rate for new customers for limited time. Unlimited more than 40 gigabytes per month. Slows full terms at mintmobile.com.
Leveraging SIPOC in state and federal government operations. In the realm of continuous improvement and process optimization, the SIPOC model stands out as a versatile and powerful tool. SIPOC, an acronym for Suppliers, Inputs, Process, Outputs, and Customers, is a high-level visualization method used to map out processes. While its origins are deeply rooted in the manufacturing and business sectors, SIPOC's principles and framework are highly applicable to state and federal government operations. This podcast explores how SIPOC can be effectively utilized within government entities to enhance efficiency, transparency, and service delivery. Understanding the SIPOC model. Before delving into its applications within government, it's essential to understand each component of the SIPOC model. 1. Suppliers. Entities that provide the necessary inputs for a process. In government, suppliers can include various departments, external contractors, and even the public. 2. Inputs. The resources, information, and materials needed to execute a process. These can range from raw data and documents to human resources and funding. 3. Process. The series of steps or activities that transform inputs into outputs. This is the core function where transformation occurs. 4. Outputs. The final products or services resulting from the process. These are delivered to customers or end users. 5. Customers. The recipients of the outputs. In government, customers can be citizens, other government agencies, businesses, or nonprofit organizations. Applications of SIPOC in government. 1. Policy development and implementation. In the policymaking process, SIPOC can help clarify the various elements involved from conception to execution. For instance, suppliers. Legislative bodies, research institutions, and public consultations provide data and insights. Inputs. Data analysis, expert opinions, and stakeholder feedback. Process. Drafting, reviewing, and approving policy measures. Outputs. Enacted policies, regulations, and guidelines. Customers. Citizens, businesses, and public agencies affected by the policies. Using SIPOC, policymakers can ensure that all critical inputs are considered, the process is transparent, and the resulting policies effectively address the intended issues. 2. Public service delivery. Government services, such as healthcare, education, and public safety, can benefit significantly from SIPOC analysis. Suppliers. Medical professionals, educational institutions, and law enforcement agencies. Inputs. Medical supplies, educational materials, and law enforcement tools. Process. Service delivery activities such as patient care, classroom teaching, and crime prevention. Outputs. Healthy citizens, educated individuals, and safe communities. Customers. Patients, students, and the general public. By mapping out these elements, government agencies can identify bottlenecks, streamline processes, and improve service quality. 3. Regulatory compliance. Regulatory bodies at both state and federal levels can use SIPOC to manage and enforce compliance. Suppliers. Legal frameworks, industry standards, and regulatory guidelines. Inputs. Compliance reports, inspection data, and audit findings. Process. Monitoring, inspecting, and enforcing regulations. Outputs. Compliance certifications, violation notices, and enforcement actions. Customers. Businesses, nonprofits, and the general public. SIPOC helps regulatory agencies maintain clarity and accountability, ensuring that regulations are applied consistently and effectively. 4. Infrastructure projects. Large-scale infrastructure projects, such as highway construction or public transit development, are complex and multifaceted. Suppliers. Engineering firms, construction companies, and material suppliers. Inputs. Construction materials, design plans, and funding. Process. Project planning, construction, and quality control. Outputs. Completed infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, and transit systems. Customers. Commuters, businesses, and local communities. Using SIPOC, project managers can visualize the entire project lifecycle, identify potential delays, and ensure efficient use of resources. Benefits of SIPOC in government operations. 1. Enhanced clarity and communication. SIPOC provides a clear visual representation of processes, facilitating better communication among stakeholders. 2. Improved efficiency. By identifying and addressing inefficiencies in the process, government agencies can enhance service delivery. 3. Accountability and transparency. SIPOC fosters transparency in government operations, making it easier to hold various entities accountable. 4. Customer-centric approach. By focusing on the needs and expectations of customers, citizens, SIPOC helps ensure that government services are aligned with public demands. The application of SIPOC in state and federal government operations is not just a theoretical exercise but a practical approach to improving governance. By adopting SIPOC, government agencies can achieve higher levels of efficiency, accountability, and service quality, ultimately benefiting the public they serve. As government entities continue to seek ways to optimize their operations, SIPOC stands out as a valuable tool in the quest for excellence in public administration.